Let us handle this question. 2 minus 20 divided by 3 times 2 plus 4. 2 minus 20 gives us minus 18 divided by 3 times, this will be equal to 6 divided by 2. Now minus 18 divided by 18 over 2. This will be equal to minus 1 over 2, which will be our answer. Okay? No, it's not okay. It is wrong because we have not followed any order of operation. So we have to follow Pemdas. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So this order of operation is suggested by me in such types of questions. Okay. Now parenthesis, here you are looking parenthesis. So 2 minus 20 divided by 3 times, this will be equal to 6 over 2. Now exponent mean power which is missing. Multiplication and division both are same, but we have to move from left to right. Here at left we have division, so this will be performed first. But first of all, we have to make two parentheses. So 2 minus 20 divided by 3 times 6 is in the first parenthesis, divided by 2 is in the second parenthesis. Now this will be written as 2 minus 20 over 3 times 6 divided by 2. Okay. Now this has been cancelled. We will get 2. So 2 minus 20 times 2 will gives us 40 divided by 2. Now 2 minus 40 gives us minus 38 divided by 2, and we will get minus 19, which will be our answer for this Pemdas based question. Thank you for your support.